Hey, how's it going? Welcome to A Breeze in the Pines. My name is Richard, and this is the debut of the Insta360 ACE PRO2. I went to Myrtle Beach a couple of weeks back with my wife and killed both of my cameras. So my Insta360 X4 is supposed to be waterproof, and I suck it through a wave. When I pulled it out, the USB flap was open. So it must not have been secured completely. The battery door has little orange indicators that will tell you if the battery isn't sealed. This door does not. So it still records whether you want it to or not. It'll just randomly start recording. So to stop that, I had to either pop out the SD card or pop out the battery. So the GoPro Hero 11, I don't know why that one broke, because it's also waterproof. I had it in the waves and got knocked over. Held on to the camera, but I had also dropped it in the sand, so I don't know if sand got into it or not, but the power button does not work. So I emailed GoPro because I have the subscription. 50 bucks a year, I get unlimited GoPro storage at original quality. Get $100 off a new camera or a replacement camera for $99. So I emailed them, and they started asking for my receipt. It's like, I don't have my receipt. I bought this a couple years ago. So they couldn't do anything under warranty without the receipt. So I went to Best Buy and bought the Insta360 ACE PRO2. But GoPro did redeem themselves. 3 or 4 emails into the chain, I said, oh, I see you're a premium member. We can just do a camera replacement for you. That's what I intended all along. But they emailed me back. They said, well, they couldn't charge my account, so they're going to waive the fee. And instead of the Hero 11, they're going to send me a Hero 12, which is the newer version. Not the newest, but all my batteries and stuff are compatible with the 12. Insta360 ACE PRO2. Okay, there's the bottom of the camera. And then we have the Insta360 clip, just a standard aftermarket mount, the blue one. Quick and simple to install. Press these tabs on the side. Quick and easy to take off. The lens comes off and is replaceable. And the microphone has a windscreen. I have not taken the windscreen off yet, but it comes with the replacement, so it's, I guess, if we want to use it underwater. Little buttons on the side. With this, you can frame yourself perfectly. With the GoPro, there's a lot of times I have half of my head showing because I couldn't frame it so well because the preview window was so small. Okay, on the side here is the battery door. My version came with 2 batteries. On the other side is the power button and the USB door, USB port, and the SD card slot. Which may be good because I have flown them across the room before taking them out. Okay, for resolutions, you can do 8K 30, 4K all the way up to 120, 2.7, or 1080p. I don't know why you would do 1080p. ACE Pro 2 does give me several color profiles I can choose from. This is the standard profile. This is the vivid profile. This is the flat color profile. This one you use if you're going to do color grading in your editing, which I could probably ruin a good video doing that, so I don't. And this is the Leica Natural. Leica, of course, being the camera company that made the lenses. And this is the Leica Vivid profile. And warm. This is the film setting. This is vintage. And we're back to natural. The cool thing about this camera is you can pause recording. All I do is hit the pause button, swipe to change the setting, hit the record button again, and this will give me one continuous clip instead of 7 or 8 other ones. Okay, we're going to try the time shift feature. Okay, one of the cool things about having 8K resolution is I can crop in and still get a pretty decent image. And with a flip-up camera, not only can you frame yourself, but you can lower the camera and flip up the screen and you can still see what you're filming. Yeah, this is at night. Same settings as we've been doing. The GoPro is horrible at night. I don't have a lot of light. I'm sure there are other settings I can use. Okay, final first thoughts on the Insta360 ACE Pro2. I like it. I think this is going to be a real cool camera. Will it replace the GoPro? I don't know, we'll have to compare the footage. But if they weren't sending me a Hero 12, honestly I would have sold my Hero 11 and bought this instead. So this has always been on the radar for me. I just accelerated my timeline a little bit. Well, as always, thanks for watching. Thanks for hiking with me. And we'll see you in the next video.